What's up, YouTube? Back again with a review of something new that's just come out. What is it? Boom. Samsung S10e. What is it? What, have you been living under a rock? Samsung's new S10 phones recently come out. I don't know if you can see that there. This is an S10e. First of all, the box. I don't know. This is kind of, I don't know if you can see this. This is like loose. Kind of lame. Only held together by this piece of tape that looks like a 2-year-old put on there. So kind of cheap. This is the cheap model, and you might be wondering why I went with the cheap model. Well, one, because it's cheap, and two, because this phone has a flat screen. Well, kind of flat now that I see it in person. Look at that. That is beautiful. Look. Can you see that? My screen's off here, so I don't know what I'm showing. Nice, right? Look at this thing. This is really nice. Very nice. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Okay, side-mounted. That is I think that's a first for Samsung. I've never seen it on a Samsung before. But this is a beautiful little phone. Still has dual cameras. Still has a really nice design. The hole punch camera here, if you can see it. Very nice. So like I said, this is cheaper. It's smaller. But the big reason that I got it is for this right here, this flat screen. Now, if you recall, the S9, which is a little bit bigger, right? S9, rounded edges. Okay. S8, right here. Okay. Same size as the S9, basically the same phone, a little bit older specs. S8 also rounded edges. Okay, now while that's aesthetically pleasing and it's nice to look at, okay, S8, S9, S10, there they are. Okay, Note 9, same thing, rounded edges here. Really, you know, a gorgeous phone, fingerprint magnet, as you can see, terrible. It's pleasing, it's nice to hold, but it's annoying to hold because, you know, you're touching the screen and doing stuff like that a lot, and that's kind of annoying. Also, easier to damage. You can't really see it here, but I got a pretty ugly scratch right on the screen here. I don't even know how it happened. Right on the edge, I mean. I don't know how it happened. More prone to damage if you drop them. So yeah, I don't know. So how does this S10e stack up against these other behemoths, these other you know, major players in Samsung's lineup? We'll see. I'll give it a go for a few days and see how it does. The S9 has been really nice. The Note 9 I really like. But the big reason was this flat screen. I wanted to give this a shot and see how it is, and then size, because it's like, oh wow, it's so much smaller. It's not really that much smaller. I mean, it's a little bit smaller than a S9. So we'll see. Let's power this thing on if it's got any juice. Take a look at this screen. There it is. S10e. I don't know if this camera's focusing good enough. If not, I might have to upgrade cameras here soon. But this is a really nice looking phone. I can't wait to load up some info on it and use it for a couple days, see how it does. We'll put it through the normal RAS tests. We'll run some wireless charging on it. I'm going to run some.
Let's get started.
Oh,
Let me help
get
you
started.
get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
No, I don't want you to right now. So nice looking screen. Look at this ratio here. This is nice. I mean, you can see, look, very minimal bezel. This is really nice. I mean, punch hole looks really nice. I was kind of skeptical. I wasn't really thrilled about this whole punch hole camera deal under the screen, but this looks beautiful. Really, it looks very polished, very finished. So yeah, this is the S10e. Look at that headphone jack. Funny story, my mom has an iPhone 8 Plus, and just last night she's like, how come I can't listen with headphones? Where's my headphone jack? Doesn't this have a headphone jack? Like, no mom, that's an iPhone. It doesn't have a headphone jack. So I gave her a lightning to 3.5mm adapter, and she's like, oh, okay, I can use that. Yeah, you can use that, but no headphone jack. This headphone jack, boom, right there. Very nice. So, you know, this is the cheaper model. It looks really nice actually. It's still not cheap by any means. It was $760 something with tax from our dear friends at Amazon. But we'll give it a go, and hopefully I'll come back with a video showing some charging results, some battery life, kind of a opinion on how it's working. This is cool right here. This is a fingerprint mounted. Like I said, it is a button as well, which is nice. So yeah, we'll give it a go, and we'll do another video on it. I like this prism white. It looks really nice. It looks better in person. I still got the film on there, so it'll probably look better once I pull the film, but not just yet. Let's take a quick look at the box here. Nothing unusual here. They did finally go with white AKG branded headphones as opposed to the black ones we've been seeing with all the other phones. Same wall adapter. They whited out the adaptive fast charge logo. I don't even know if you can see it here. There it is. It's kind of reflecting there. Basically the same exact adapter. It's got like a matte finish to it now instead of glossy, which is kind of nice. Your USB on the go for Type-C. Another funny story, I actually ended up needing a micro, not a Type-C, a micro USB on the go, and I can't find one anywhere. I used to have so many of them because every phone used to have them. Now I can't find one. All I find is these Type-C ones because all the phones I have now are Type-C. Anyways, headphones. Oh, this is the cable. This is the headphones. Nice, like a braided. Look at that. That is nice. Like a braided wire, white. Looks good. A lot more comfortable than Apple Pods. I guarantee you. I've been using some of these for a while when I'm not using Bluetooth, and so much better. Alright, that's it for now. Till next time, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to see more videos and to be updated on S10e performance. Oh, there's the book. It's inside this thing. Okay. So yeah. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.